Among the heartbreaking legal decisions facing the passengers' families is whether to seek compensation if no one survived as feared. International conventions lay out compensation guidelines, but the amount and ways to receive it can vary widely. CCTV's Rian Maelzer explains.
Next of kin of people on board flight MH370 can each expect Malaysia Airlines to pay them compensation of at least $170,000, even if the airline is not found to have been negligent. That's thanks to rules first introduced 15 years ago, provided the country of origin, the intended destination, and even the country where the passenger bought their ticket have signed that agreement. The Montreal Convention largely replaced a 70-year-old set of rules that had been designed to protect the interests of the nascent airline industry rather than passengers.
In 1999, government saw the need to revise that, to modernize it, and there was a huge effort of the international community to take that on. One of the things that IATA has been doing over the last several years is really encouraging states to come on board with that, because the more uniform we're able to deal with these situations, the better it is for everyone involved.
Malaysia and China are both bound by that convention, although Thailand, where some passengers bought their tickets, is not. Malaysia Airlines, or more accurately, its insurers, may be required to pay out considerably more if the airline is found to have been negligent.
In many cases, the insurers, on behalf of the airline, settle cases out of court. A lot of families would prefer to settle out of court rather than have a long drawn-out process. But in some cases, it does require litigation, and that can take a long time.
Family members may be asked to sign away their rights to take legal action, action that aviation lawyers will tell them could net them much larger sums. In any case, passengers' families won't all be treated equally.
Historically, the payouts vary dramatically according to where the claims are brought and the nationality of the passengers, largely because for the compensation claims are trying to estimate the loss in terms of lost income, and that obviously very much depends on income levels in the different countries.
So, as unjust as it may seem, Chinese and Malaysian next of kin are likely to receive substantially less compensation than relatives of passengers from Western Europe or the United States. Rian Maelzer, CCTV, Kuala Lumpur.